Welcome to Portal 7. In this video I will show you how to make a custom Windows ISO by using MSMG Toolkit. The default installer you download from the Microsoft website has a lot of useful applications. And that is suitable for most people. But with a computer that is older, or if you are a gamer, then for you, there are many unnecessary applications, such as the old web browser Internet Explorer or OneDrive. In this video I will show you how to create a custom Windows installer that removes the applications that you do not want on your own Windows 11 operating system. First, you have to download Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft's website. To customize Windows 11 ISO file, you need MSMG Toolkit. You must have WinRAR or 7-zip software to extract the downloaded file. First, copy the ISO file of the Windows 11 and paste it into the folder named ISO in the MSMG software folder. Then open the MSMG software by clicking on the Start file. Run as administrator. The MSMG software has a command line interface but is very simple to use. You just need to do the software's suggested options. A command line interface appears and you follow the instructions of the software. This is the main screen of the software with 7 options. We do it from top to bottom. First, you choose the source to extract the ISO file of the Windows 11 operating system. As we have Windows 11 ISO, so press 3 to select the source. Now copy and paste the ISO file name and press enter. Now it will extract ISO image contents to DVD folder. After extracting, open the folder named DVD and you will see the extracted files appear here. We will use the extracted files to customize the Windows 11 installer. So you choose the source as the DVD folder. With the default installer of Windows 11 will give you 11 installation versions. I like the Pro version, so I'm choosing number 6. It will take some time, depends on computer hardware. Next, you press number 3 to remove the applications that you don't want in your Windows 11 operating system. There are 3 options. Press 1 for removing Windows components. Press 1 to select Windows components. Here we have 8 categories. We will start by first option, which is Internet. There is 2 browsers, Edge and Internet Explorer. Press 2 to remove Internet Explorer. As you press 2, the plus sign on Internet Explorer becomes subtract sign. It means it's marked for removing. Press X to go back. Now press 2 for multimedia and mark components that you want to remove. Press X to go back. Now press 2 for network and mark components that you want to remove. Follow this process for all 8 categories and mark all components that you want to remove. After selecting components that you want to remove, press X to go back. Here press 2 for start removing selected components. Depending on the number of your selections, more or less, the time will be fast or slow. After removing the components that you don't want, go back to the main screen and enter the number 5 for the changes to be applied. Press 2 for apply and save changes to source image. If you change a lot from the original file, the customization time will be longer. Now on main screen, press 6 for target menu. And here is the step to create your own ISO file. Press 1 to create a DVD ISO image. This step will help you to create your custom Windows 11 installer. You name the ISO volume label. Then name the new ISO file as you like. This ISO file is your result after removing the components of the Windows 11 operating system. The new ISO file is about 1 GB smaller compared to original file. Now you can quit MSMG Toolkit. Next, you just need to create Windows 11 bootable USB to install on the target computer. A familiar and easy-to-use app for doing that is Rufus. Open Rufus, select the ISO file you just created. To create a bootable Windows 11 USB stick. Next, I will plug this USB stick into the target computer and install. Now you finally have a customized Windows operating system. Thank you for watching.